Headlight come off. Fuck, the mirror came out. Fucked. This one's fucked. This bike's made for cruising, I think. So me again, just fixing my night chain. So I cut the, see what was wrong. I forgot to show you, but yeah. So what happened is the welds broke on the bracket inside the headlight. I'll sit inside there. I want to see if we can weld it back, but if we don't, if it doesn't work, the bro brought his old one around. So yeah, so that's what's broke inside the bracket. So we'll give it a go, see if it works, and yeah. So as you can see, welded together. Ain't the prettiest, I ain't a welder. But we on. See if that works, eh? So yeah, I think it's gonna work, bro. I think it's gonna work. So I just put the headlight on, I'm gonna rewire, resolder the wires on there, and let's hope it's good to go, because we got a ride on tomorrow. And I gotta take this bike again because the bro is gonna take my other bike once again. But yeah, we on. So fixed the headlight. I just gotta rewire it, solder it, shrink wrap it. But I'm gonna shoot off to Harley, Rockingham Harley, before it closes at 1. It's 11:45 now. Gotta go give me some new mirrors, bro. Look at this. This one's alright. I can tighten it up. Keep moving last night, but yeah, I'm gonna shoot off there, get some mirrors, and then come back, solder that, and we should be all good to go for tomorrow, bro. So yeah, just went to Rockingham Harley Davidson and picked me up some more mirrors. These ones, they're the same ones on my Fat Boy, and I'm sick of those Island Nest ones because that's the second lot of Island Nest mirrors I've had. And yeah, after a while they just keep wear and tear and they just fall out and break. But yeah, I also went to J-Car and got me some shrink wrap because I can't find my shrink wrap for the for rewiring the headlight. So got me some shrink wrap right there, pack of it. But I also got me these ones, so I don't have to, I'll try those out so I don't have to use the solder to solder the wires together. But yeah, we'll see. Let's see how this goes. Fuck Island Nest mirrors. Just cruising. Look at this beast of a bike. What a beast. Little chopper, little bobber. Fucking hell, not bad. So here we are. Got the shrink wrap. Actually, I need to cut it. Cut it about there. Anyway, we'll chuck this piece of shrink wrap through here, all 4 of them, before we hook them up. There we go. Now we'll try these bad boys. So we've got it on there, right there. Yeah, we'll see how that works. I don't know about this. I'll get some pliers and just try squeeze. Seems legit, bro. She's pretty on there, pretty tough. Oh, we'll try do it all. So we got them all on there. Now we just gotta heat it up. And Bob's your uncle, bro. Bob is your uncle. All good, bruh. Slide the big cunt over. Ugh. Boom. So, time to change the mirrors. Look at that fucking piece of shit. Here we go with the new ones, bruh. Little washer on. Tighten it up. Maybe I should have put Loctite on them. I forget the Loctite shit, eh? And I've got Loctite too. We on. Yeah. Now let's do the other one and we done, bro. We ready to ride. We on. I'm gonna take this sticker off. Yeah. Shit, I forgot to see if the headlight works. Fuck, if it doesn't work. Oh no, we on. Ready to roll, bruh. We ready to roll. Anyway, that's about it. Got another ride tomorrow. Bro's going to take the other bike again. And yeah, we'll see you then. Peace. We on. Let's go.